across your skull.
Oh, what's he doing now? Uh-oh.
There, it's loose.
He's gonna sit on it.
Platinum, believe me. Iron in my blood. Start talking. Wait a minute. Take it down in shorthand. Right.
I, Gilgrave Q. Tiddlywhatter, herewith confess that I did willfully kill one Slug McGurk.
Just a moment. I killed Slug McGurk, and nobody's going to take away the glory from me. I'm a thrill killer, and I'm going to get the rest of you guys.